ago, I put our GoPro, we've had the GoPro for like so long, and I specifically got it for my husband so he could film like his work and stuff, but he hasn't used it in like 3 years, and the other night I was like, can I borrow your GoPro? So here we are. I'm gonna head to work. It's a pretty busy day today, but I need to get my coffee first. Coffee is secured. This is my outfit for today. I have some shorts on, this little halter top, and then my cardigan. I'm not sure if I want to take my cardigan off because it's kind of cold in here, but we shall see. Wear an apron above it all, so don't judge me, okay? Our comfy Vans on. Now it's a waiting game. Your food.
Delicious.
It's my day off today, and when it's my day off, I still have a bunch of stuff to do. It was also my first day of working out today, but that's a different story. But that went well, and I just had to wake up extra early for it, and I'm super tired, but it's alright. Can't do it later in the day, so the morning is what works best. But now I'm here on my desk, and I have to order some supplies for the salon, and I have to do just like a bunch of salon stuff, see what kind of things I could post on my Instagram. I'm back. I did a lot of computer work, thankfully, and the sun is out. I did my makeup. I'm officially ready for today. I'm still booking clients. That's not really like a we're done at a certain time type thing, because I message them and then they'll just reply throughout the day or within the next few days. So that's that. Now I'm just gonna make some dinner for later.